In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paste Special in Excel. Paste Special is a very useful feature when you want more control over how copied data is pasted into a worksheet. Instead of doing a standard paste, this option lets you choose exactly what you want to bring over, which can help keep your spreadsheet clean and organized. To begin, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet where you want to use Paste Special. Make sure the file is open and that you can clearly see the data you'll be working with. Next, select the cell or range of cells you want to copy. This could be a single value, a row, a column, or a larger block of data. Take a moment to confirm that you've highlighted the correct selection before moving on, because whatever you copy here is what will be available for the paste options later. Once your cells are selected, copy them by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard. If you prefer using the ribbon, you can also go to the Home tab and click Copy. Either method works the same way, so use whichever feels more natural for you. After copying, select the destination cell where you want the pasted result to begin. This is important because Excel will use that cell as the starting point for placing the copied content. Be sure you click the correct location so the pasted data appears exactly where you want it. Now go to the Home tab, click the Paste drop-down arrow and choose Paste Special. This will open the Paste Special dialog box, which is where Excel gives you more specific paste choices beyond the normal paste command. In that dialog box, choose the paste option you want. The option you select depends on your goal. For example, you may want to paste only certain parts of what you copied rather than everything. This is what makes Paste Special so helpful when working with formulas, formatting, or values in a spreadsheet. Once you've selected the option you need, click OK. Excel will then paste the copied content using the setting you chose. And that's it. You've successfully used Paste Special in Excel. It's a simple feature, but it can save time and give you much more precision when working with data. If you use Excel regularly, this is definitely a tool worth getting comfortable with.